PWM's M10 is a handheld cold welder for joining fine non-ferrous wire and strip quickly and easily. The lightweight machine is designed to fit comfortably in the hand and is easily operated using a light trigger action. No setup time is necessary. The M10 uses an industry-standard die which is placed carefully into the die pocket. To open the gates, the operator presses the lever on the welding head, then feeds the two ends of the material into the die. To complete the weld, the operator squeezes the handle 4 or 5 times. The welded wire is carefully released from the die and the flash is removed by hand. The resulting weld is reliable, permanent, and stronger than the parent material.